Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to another video of the Media Nerd. This video is the first of multiple videos featuring a motion control system called the Edelkrone. I've been in video production for over 20 years now, and I've never used a motion control system like this one. Now, I just invested in a complete Edelkrone system, and rather than opening everything up and learning how to do it off camera, I thought it would be really interesting to take you along on my journey on opening up the boxes and then later on putting the unit together and then figuring out how to operate it and see what kind of shots I get and see if I can get good enough to have really great shots with this system. So let's go ahead and start opening up the boxes. Okay, this is box 1 of 3, and I have no idea what is in this box. What I did order was the motorized tripod. I ordered a turntable, I ordered laser modules, just a bunch of different stuff. The glider, I ordered the glider as well. So I'm not too sure what's in this box, so let's just get it open and find out. Now, I'm not gonna go over every single piece of equipment and attachment and screws. I just want to see what's in the boxes. Maybe open those up. Now, it came in regular shipping boxes, and then it has this box that I have to open. And I gotta tell you, it took like a few weeks for me to get this. It came from Turkey, and it got really caught up in customs. All right, so we have a lot of good package material here, and check out the first box. This is the HeadPLUS. This is exciting. This is my trusty Boy Scout knife, like I always like to use. And I think what I'm gonna do to make things a little easier is let's take all this different stuff out of the box, put it on the counter, and then start opening things up like that. Okay, we're gonna make a little bit of a mess in the small room. So what do we have here? This is the HeadPLUS. Wow, it's boxed really well. That's cool. Okay. Here's the HeadPLUS. Oh, and the camera's gonna mount onto this. What else is in here? Looks like, I don't know. I don't know. Oh, just different type of cable attachments. So we're gonna learn about all of that later. There's also a little beam in there. Okay, that's the HeadPLUS. This is gonna be cool. It's going to be exciting trying to learn all of this stuff. This is the laser module. Laser module for HeadPLUS. So I think what this is supposed to do is when I'm shooting a product, this laser will point at the product and keep the camera in focus and moving in the direction that I want it to. So here's that. It's pretty cool. I'm not just gonna toss these. Okay, this is the HeadONE. So I have 2 HeadONEs, and what these do is they will spin the camera, or rotate the camera. It's all packaged really nice. So this is a big box. So tray is gonna sit on this, and I'll open that up in a minute, and then it's gonna spin the products around, or it'll spin my camera. Okay. And this is a roller bracket for the HeadPLUS version 3. Edelkrone has been around for, God, I think like at least 10 years now. So there's a lot of different versions out there. So this is the latest version, and watch, like next week it'll be version 4 after this video comes out. But that's how it is all the time, right? I can be better than the box. Okay. That's interesting. One. There's another one. And this little thing here. And then there's another little box. A lot of stuff, a lot of gadgets. All right, let's put this back. Man, I think this is gonna take a little bit of time to really learn how to operate all of this. This is definitely not going to be like a plug and play, I don't think. I'm not gonna fight with that. What's this? This is the vertical module for SliderPLUS. Vertical module. Wow. This is some heavy duty stuff. Look at this. I don't know what I got myself into getting this. All right, I'm starting to run out of space. Oh, and this is the SliderPLUS right here. Now, I have a manual slider that I've used every once in a while, but it's always like really sort of shaky. I just don't do it very well. So this is the SliderPLUS. So what this is gonna do, the camera and everything's gonna mount on this, and it's gonna slide back and forth. Definitely not a plug and play item. Definitely not. Okay, so that's box 1. I'm gonna get this on the floor and open up box 2. Box 2. Oh, this is the Tripod X. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. Oh, this is heavy. Tripod X, and then let's get this over there. This is a soft case for the Tripod X. Let's just do a quick peek of the Tripod X. I can figure out how to get this part off. There we go. I'm gonna hit the ceiling. Figure out how this box opens. Wow. This is a beast. I don't want to drop it. I'm making a mess. This is enormous. So this is gonna like self-leveling, and you can raise the camera up and down and put that slider right on it. That's pretty cool. And this is the, this is nothing. This is just the top. Awesome. Now what I'm gonna wanna know is, do I have to buy batteries for all this stuff? So I'm gonna have to figure out that later. Okay, last but not least, this is the turntable. So what you do with this is you put products on it and it turns the product. Boy, they really packaged this up well. I'm glad they packaged it up well, since it came all the way from Turkey. Hate to invest in all that money and get it shipped over here and everything is broken. So this is the large mount. I'm hoping this is right side up. I want to stab myself. Woo! Wow. So here it is. Looks like a big, thick piece of glass, and then there's a white surface and I think a black surface that might be stuck in there somewhere. Yeah, black surface right here. That's really cool. So this is going to be my new setup. There's a lot of other stuff that Edelkrone sells, like jibs, things like that, and even wheels, like motorized wheels. I didn't want to get ahead of myself and get everything at once because I think this is going to be a huge learning curve and I want to get comfortable with this. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to the next video of setting up this system. You have yourself a wonderful day.